was a bass. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. So like John called me the next morning, like, dude, like, where were you last night? I was like, I was there. He was like, oh yeah. And then he was like, fucking, remember that tune they were playing? I'm like, I don't remember fucking anything, man. I mean, I have like vague recollections and like a general feeling of happiness. And he was like, no, that fucking song, man. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
I came out of the club and there was dark and there was night and there was street lamps. I was pretty like, I don't know. So I went into this diner and I ordered some food and suddenly it was tomorrow and then tomorrow was today. And then I found this club and I went into the club and the club was banging. The music was like really loud and I was raving and suddenly I was saving this girl from this dude and suddenly he was being rude and all she kept saying was
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
all she kept saying was
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
all they kept saying was
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
all I kept thinking
Eat,
was
sleep, rave,
she
repeat.
said, yo, I'm an artist. And then she just started to make this thing out of cocaine. And I swear to God, it said,
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. 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 Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.